Hi, I'm Jairo for Contabo. If your website or application experiences high traffic, a load balancer helps distribute requests across multiple servers, keeping your site fast, reliable, and secure. Today, I'll show you why you need one, how to configure it, and what the most commonly used load balancers are. Load balancers are crucial for websites, cloud applications, and APIs. Imagine an e-commerce store on Black Friday. Thousands of users flood the site, and without the load balancer, a single server might crash. Instead, the load balancer distributes requests across multiple servers, keeping the site fast and available. Beneficiaries are high-traffic websites to prevent crashes and slowdowns, or cloud applications to ensure availability. You should apply a load balancer to optimize requests handling with APIs or microservices to handle peak traffic on e-commerce platforms or to reduce latency for streaming or gaming platforms. So what's the most popular option? There is a number of options. NGINX is the most widely used software-based load balancer. It's a lightweight, powerful, and free. There are some cloud providers who have their own load balancers, but to keep it simple in this context, NGINX should work best for web apps. On the other hand, for cloud hosting, you might find load balancers more convenient that are offered by the cloud providers. Now, for the sake of the example, let's configure a basic NGINX load balancer to distribute traffic between two backend servers. First, install NGINX with this command. Then, let's configure it as a load balancer. We added the config file and defined our backend servers. Traffic will now be shared between server 1 and server 2. Finally, restart NGINX and our load balancer is active. You can also configure advanced load balancing features such as weighted load balancing, ensuring a stronger server handles more requests, or round robin, which sends requests evenly. Another way to balance traffic is at the DNS level. That means to distribute traffic by returning different IP addresses for the same domain, sending users to different servers or data centers. Services like Cloudflare Load Balancer distribute requests to different data centers worldwide, improving speed and redundancy, which works best for global scalability. So what's the best load balancer for you? NGINX may be the best choice for web apps, and if you need global redundancy, try Cloudflare DNS Load Balancer. Now you know what a load balancer is and how to set one up. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.